You see these objects every single day, but do you actually know their real names? You use this on jackets and bags. Just pull it up or down to open and close. What is it? Zipper. Zipper. You turn it every day to open doors, but do you know its name? Doorknob. This keeps your drinks fresh. You twist it to open. What's it called? Lid. Lid. Used for drinking juice and soda. Some are plastic, some are metal. What's this tiny tube called? Straw. Straw. It helps you carry things easily. You find it on doors, bags, and even cups. Handle. Handle. You use this to wash dishes. It soaks up water and soap. What's it called? Sponge. Sponge. Click, click. You use it to change TV channels. What is this must-have device? Remote control. Remote control. Turns the lights on and off. Just a simple flick. What's its name? Light switch. Light switch. It joins papers together with a simple press. Found in every office. What's it called? Stapler. Stapler. Ties your shoes. Some are long, some are short, but do you know the word for them? Laces. Laces. Holds your clothes on the line so they don't fly away. What is it called? Clothespin. Clothespin. Cleans between your teeth after eating. What's this tiny tool called? Toothpick. Toothpick. Keeps all your keys together in one place. What's it called? Keychain. Keychain. Fixes mistakes on paper. Every student uses this. What is it? Eraser. Eraser. Keeps papers organized. Small but useful. What's the name of this item? Paperclip. Paperclip. Used to peel fruits and vegetables quickly. What's it called? Peeler. Peeler. Mixes ingredients when baking or cooking. What's this kitchen tool called? Whisk. Whisk. Controls water flow in your sink. You turn it on and off daily. What is it? Faucet. Faucet. Protects your table from stains. What's this small object called? Coaster? Coaster? Helps you open bottles easily. What's this handy tool called? Bottle opener. Did you know all of these? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun English lessons.